If you're tired of getting shopping notifications from Alexa, like this one,
One new notification. Free Yava from Amazon Shopping. There's a low price offer from an author you follow.
then in order to disable it, open Amazon Alexa app, tap on More, select Settings, select Notifications, select Amazon Shopping. Here you could see many different notification toggles, but if you will scroll down, you could see shopping recommendations. You could turn off deal recommendations and reorder recommendations. Scroll further down until you get to the Amazon Follow category. This is a notification that I get daily, suggesting me books from the authors that I follow. So tap on it to turn it off. Now tap on back and you can now close Amazon Alexa app. And from now on, hopefully you would not receive any of these notifications that you have turned off.